love you again. Hate you when they love you, then they hate you again. Lord.
Hold me tight, let me go. Heal my heart, hurt my soul. Build
Never
me
ever
up,
ever know your soul. Never know your heart.
Make me smile, make me frown.
Ain't no love in the heart of the city, this is what they tell me. Shit, I'm just waiting on somebody to show me. Ain't no love in the heart of the city, that's what they tell me. Beef with over 100 niggas, don't none of them know me. Son of a mother studying at UDC, sitting in taxi cabs with daddy roaming the streets. 7 hallelujahs, my sultana was clean. On everything I wear it, all the American tees. This 06 the most prolific in the DMV. Listen, when you get the keys to sell them, you don't get the beef. Make a nigga one, get the piece to get the piece. You gon' need more than Wikipedia to get to me. PG to Mo County, bet they all know about me. Every hood, every burb, I got superb balance. From the city that made me love you forever for it. Hope you celebrate every moment, forever ignore it. You made me what I am, you made me what I'm not. They gon' love you a little different when you at the top. Work, give me love, baby. Not enough, just a touch, baby. What the fuck, baby? This is us, baby. This ain't right, this is life, this is love, baby. What's up? Give me love, baby. Not enough, just a touch, baby. Fuck, baby. It's just us, baby. This ain't right, this is life, this is love, everything. And then give love.
Hold me tight, let me go. Heal my heart, hurt my soul. Build me up, break me down. Make me smile, make me frown. Give me love, take it all away.
Yeah, my affinity grows as the city gets cold. As you reaching your goals, you gon' meet you some foes. Having dinner with Leona since I'm dreaming to own. But for now, me and my homies see the bottom float. I'm trying to redefine the culture, renovate the soul. Women in town.